Hi, my name is Avery Smith and I live in St. Louis, Missouri. You know, a lot of people out there say it's a competitive market or the market's crashing and then you really don't want to do wholesaling. You guys, it's not the thing to do, but if you're looking to excel and expand your business and be completely organized and have unlimited heights of where your financial stability can be at, then do like I did, enjoy Wholesaling Inc. because that's the best thing that I've ever done. Beforehand, my business definitely wasn't consistent with deals. My leads were all over the place. I was struggling. I was really struggling. But then Tom, Cody, and Brent took me underneath their wing, and now my business is excelling the way that I need to. It's definitely flourishing. I would recommend joining Wholesaling Inc. to anyone out there that really wants to have a structured, organized wholesaling business that's going to succeed and definitely grow as much as you put into it. These guys will give you everything that you need to prosper. These guys are just such the nicest people that you'll ever meet, and they really don't want anything from you but for you to succeed. So I owe everything that I've encountered and endured, my family and I, we owe it all to Wholesaling Inc. And I want to thank you guys very much. And if you haven't joined Wholesaling Inc. yet, I definitely recommend it. Y'all take care of yourselves.